inaugurating its fourth new saloon outlet at Venkateshwara Nagar, Kolattur. After 3 successful outlets that the city loved and welcomed, we now enter a premium space keeping in mind the expanding clientele of Chennai city with affordable prices and international ambience. We promise to provide you that
Hi, I'm Sylvia. I'm the franchisee partner of this fourth branch of Cheap and Best at Kolattur, and we do have all the services from men. This is only for men actually, and we do have A to Z, all the services like a haircut and pedicure, facial, everything we do here for men, like all the beauty services and hair services, all you can avail over here. And according to the name, this is really cheap and best, and we do have a lot of office. People can really come and have their wonderful services over here at very low ranges. Opening offers, yeah, we do have a kind of combos like 299, 399. That they have a haircut, shave, pedi, many like that. So head to toe they can cover it up. So like that we have a very low ranges combos also right now. That is we'll be having for 1 month, and after that every month we'll be having a different kinds of offers.
Hi, this is Priya. I'm the franchise partner of Cheap and Best Kolattur. This is the men's affordable saloon, and this is the 4th saloon we have started now.
This is the 4th branch actually at Kolattur, and this is exclusive for men actually, and like according to the name, this is really cheap and best. We do all services for men like skin and hair, haircut, facial, pedi, everything, so that they can come and avail all these services, the best services, and we do have a very best staffs over here, and all of them are very affordable prices. I would like to thank this moment to God first.